let's see how the write function works. Write is a text function. Write returns the rightmost characters from a text value. Okay, so write is a simple text function. Okay, it will return to you the rightmost characters. For example, here the string I have is a Kannada. Okay, it could be a string, or it could be a sentence, or it could be only one word, or it could be any character, but it will find the rightmost character. In the Kannada, right, C is a leftmost character because it is on your left hand side. A is the rightmost character. So if I want to see the rightmost character, use the write function. Write of the text or the cell which contains the text, which is A4 in this case. It contains Kannada. So then comma 1, number of characters is 1. Okay, you see it returns the rightmost one character. Okay, sometimes you want to see more than one character. For example, I want to see the two characters, rightmost two characters. You can see DA. Okay, this is DA. Okay, so you count rightmost character is A, the rightmost two characters are D and A. Okay, so it counts from the rightmost. This is first character, this is the second character. So last two characters it chop it off and show to you. Similarly, for example, I have a statement called C is blue. Okay, so I want to see the rightmost four characters. What is happening? See, A5 is my cell, comma 4. This is blue, BLUE. So I return this write function returns blue, BLUE. Okay, so it simply brings the last four characters, which is the rightmost four characters. Okay, so you can see here, instead of blue is in the small letters, if I put capital letters, what happens? See, it returns the capital, so it doesn't convert anything. It just bring you the last four characters. If it is in capital, it will bring you capital letters. If it is in small letters, it will bring you in small letters. And also one more thing, you must note it down, that I bring 5 characters. What is happening? Space blue. So in a statement, if you have a space in the statement, then the write also counts a space as a character. Okay, so that's why it is coming as space blue. So you have 5 characters, one is space, then BLUE, blue. So you must be always keep it in you must keep it in mind that the space is also counted as a character when it comes to text functions. Okay, so, and also it won't change your case of the characters. Whatever it is there, it will return. For example, if I put L is small letter, it is L is small letter. Okay, so this is the way write text function works. Write returns the rightmost characters from a text value.